to another video. And make sure you guys subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post. I don't know what this is. But just ignore that. I don't really know what this is. So I'm going to make a slime video, my slime collection. So I have these blue, pink, purple, and yellow. And here's a blue ocean slime. And yeah, let's just get right on to the video. So here is my pink slime, and I am going to show you how this works. Don't mind the red stuff on my hand. I was just pretending to pranking my sister about blood, but I didn't post it. But so yeah, so it's kind of sticky, but it's pink, and it pokes so really good, and it's super stretchy, and it pops good. And this is this slime. So here is my blue ocean slime. Of course, it has blue food coloring and some shells. So there's a whole bunch of bubbles because I didn't play with it yet. So listen so close. Did you hear that? Like, I love the sound of that. Literally. I need to get blue food coloring because this is food coloring on my hand, and it just turned my freaking slime red. So let me just get me some food coloring wherever the heck it is. So I don't know where it is, but I'll do it after. It's fine. I'll do it after. So there's shells in here. Let me just see. Proof there's shells in here. And there's more than one shell, I'll tell you that. And there's these in here, like little squares. And yeah, this is really fancy slime. I love this. It doesn't really stretch good, but you could say it stretches. But so yeah, this is my huge slime. This one's this one. So let's see this slime. This is like a greenish yellowish. So as you see, ew, this is nice. I don't know what that is. Probably food coloring. Like, I bet you it's food coloring. So please no hate comments, guys. And I really want this to get a lot of views. And please like this video if you really liked it. And please turn on my bell. Subscribe. And this is my purple slime. My purple. You know, these are all butter slime. One's only fluffy. Only one's fluffy, which was the blue. And I have this blue slime. Let me just take the slime off the top. So here's my blue slime, and it is so cool. It's not really that stretchy, but I can call it stretchy. But so here is my last one, but I still have, I think, a few more to show you guys. So here's my pink slime. It's on the top. Oh my god. So make sure you guys follow my Musical.ly. It'll be in the description. Description will be my Musical.ly. If you guys have Musical.ly, you guys can follow me and like my videos. And like maybe comment on one of my Musical.ly saying you watch my channel. Alright. So here is my pink slime. And I have another one, guys, to show you. It's sand slime and some sand. So it's right here. It gets a lot messy. It's kind of hard, but I don't care. I'm still going to keep this. It gets messy, so I should put it away right now. So yeah, it gets really messy, trust me. And so here is my sand. It's so satisfying. Oh my god. Like, so guys, I am not famous, so I don't think we have ads, like skip ads coming. That's good, because like I don't put skip ads. I don't even edit this video, because I don't have a computer or any, like, I don't know how to edit. So if you guys know how to edit, comment down below so I can edit some videos, like, to make it cool in the beginning. So yeah, I love all these slimes, to be honest. But I have this whole gallon of glue I'll be posting in the next video. Me making another slime. So yeah, I might actually throw that sand slime out, but like, because I don't really like that, because I'm going to use that container for the slime I'm going to make on my next video. So I'm going to use that container. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe so you know every time I post. And yeah, I want this to get to at least 100 views. Okay, and make sure you smash that like button. Bye guys.